Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily turn on dark mode on Android. We'll also look at how to set a dark mode schedule if you only want to enable it during certain times of the day. To get started, tap in the search bar and type settings. In the bottom search results, hit the settings app. In here, select display. You will then see dark theme in the display settings. Tap the slider on the right to enable dark mode. As you can see now, everything will follow the dark theme. So if I head back to the home screen and swipe up, you'll see my app list now is in dark mode. And if I open an app like Instagram, you'll see that has changed also. Next, I'll set a dark theme schedule so that it changes automatically during certain times of the day that I set. I'll head back into settings and then display. Next, tap dark theme. In here, select schedule. I have two options now. One that I can set a custom time range, and another that automatically will turn on dark mode from sunset to sunrise. I'll go ahead and choose that and then head back to my home screen. And that's how you can enable the Android dark theme either permanently or for a set schedule. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.